Alright guys, hey, we picked up this boat. It's called a Stumpnocker, 17.5 foot. Definitely been blessed. We already named it. We named her the Lucky Dog for Capone. Stainless steel prop. Check that out. But we got Dave. What's up, Dave? We got Roberto. What's up, Roberto? Alright, let's hopefully we can get some fish out here. The man right there got the skunk off the boat. Finally. Roberto's hooked up.
I'm hooked up.
Dave's hooked up.
Dave's hooked up. What I got? Sheep head.
Nice.
Uh-oh.
Nice.
Oh,
What's Dave got? Oh, shark. Nice.
Rob hooked up.
Alright guys, finally, huh?
Right on, Rob.
Right?
Tugging, whatever it is.
Whoa. Must be, huh?
That's right. You can let it drag up on him a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing but ocean.
I don't know.
Got big drub, another drub.
Oh boy.
All right.
Oh man, bringing
yeah,
fish.
Rob.
Nice. Yeah, buddy, huh?
Getting bigger.
2 drums in a boat.
It's a yuck head.
Nice
Hey,
drum.
the sheep head give me no fight like that.
Right? Good sized drum though. Huh? Yours is bigger for sure, dude. Pretty damn close. Look at that.
Look at that.
Wow, guys.
Twins.
Twins. Roberto's hooked up.
Hooked up, guys.
Oh, cat. No way. Uh-oh. It's beautiful, guys. You on it?
There you go.
What you got there? Good little fighter, huh?
Yes.
Nice.
Is that a cat?
No, not a cat. Jack?
I'm definitely hooked up.
Jack?
Yeah.
Nice. And he's? Oh shit. You're really hooked up.
I don't know what it is.
I think it might be a jack, buddy.
Big Jack.
Big jack.
You guys okay?
Alright, guys.
Is it moving? Oh. We're hooked up, guys.
We'll man the boat.
Fighting like a jack.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, Dave's hooked up. Yeah, we're in them, guys. It's alright. He's Jackson.
Rob and Dave hooked up. Double. We got.
Coming up.
I'm not, buddy.
He says, heck no, I ain't done.
You let that old guy see it like that?
Guys, we're working. I'm getting worked over here.
I got that drag
Be a
tight.
monster Jack.
I would hope so. He's not done though. They're pulling him up now.
Good size Jack.
Yeah, not bad. Get him out of the water. Give me a.
Grass.
Yeah.
Bring him this way. You got it?
Yeah. Nice.
Nice strap.
Alright, guys.
Tougher fish meat.
Yeah. You're free, you're free. A few more of them, they're fun now. Alright, Roberto's hooked up.
I don't know.
Yeah, wow.
Uh-oh, that was a slower. You don't realize you took yet.
Let's help Roberto out. Let's chase this fish for him. That's a nice.
That fast. I'm gonna run out of line. Yeah, that's something big.
Alright. Hang on, brother. Let's go gain on him. What a great spot, huh? Even if they're jacks, you know, they're still a blast. How we doing? All right. Huh? Forward? Ah, that was
That's twice you did that. What the hell?
No, I think the butt broke me off.
yeah, that was a big fish, man. A blast with these jacks, guys. Yeah, we got this guy. We got him beat. Little jack. Yeah, we're in a school of them. Now I bet you that will work out here on the big ones. Oh, look at a school of them. You see that?
Yeah, I've seen that.
We're chasing it, right?
Yeah. Croaker. All right. Pan fry. Oh, Dave's probably ready to eat them. Dave's probably ready to eat them. He's got to be starving. Poor guy. That's what we want. Fish in the boat. Fish in the boat. Nice. Dave's jacking jacks, guys. Yes, sir. Turned out to be a good day. Even with 4 fish. Yeah, they're little bulldogs, ain't they?
Hey, they are.
Alright guys, we're gonna call it right there. Get you before it gets dark. Yeah, it's gonna be dark on us, so we're gonna end the video. Alright guys, caught some fish, we're gonna have a nice fish fry. Life is good, huh? Back on the water again. Yes, yes, yes. Alright guys, peace, huh? Bye. Check this guy out, man. He's doing it, boy. Roberto's got it going on in the kitchen, man. We should be paying them. Yeah. Check that out. How is it, Dave? Thumbs up. All right. Yeah, that looks really good, dude. Oh yeah. Maybe put something in your food, but he's not sharing, huh? That's Capone's chair. When we have coffee in the morning together, huh? Alright guys, peace, love you.